A very good morning students, a warm welcome to online class from Sheva Group of Schools. Today we can write the social class work. Let's move to the class. Let's take the social class work, page number 192 pages, ruled short size note. Let's take a fresh page children. Let's take a fresh page. You can using a margin by using scale and pencil. You can draw the margin mark and the center line you can write the lesson name. Put the date 17/9 and lesson Panchayat, P-A-N-C-H-A-Y-A-T, Panchayat. You can write the lesson name here and write first home letter, dictation, words. Okay, you can put 5 here. After finishing this heading, you can leave the one line. Number 1, Panchayat, P-A-N-C-H-A-Y-A-T, Panchayat. Panchayat means கிராமத்துல நடத்துவாங்க இல்லையா பஞ்சாயத்து அதுதான் சரியா. After finishing number 1, you just leave the one line and write number 2, president, P-R-E-S-I-D-E-N-T, president na ஊர் தலைவர் சொல்வாங்க அவங்கள தான் president சொல்வாங்க சரியா. After finishing number 2, you just leave the line, write number 3, குடவோலை, K-U-D-A-V-O-L-A-I, குடவோலை. குடவோலை means it's one of the election method. பழைய காலத்துல எலெக்ஷன் எப்படி பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா ஒரு பானையில் அந்த தலைவர்களோட பேரில் எழுதி போட்டு அதில் வர தலைவரை தான் செலக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க, அதுக்கு பேர் தான் குடவோலைன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க ஓகேவா. நம்பர் 4, ஆப்ளிகேட்டரி, O-B-L-I-G-A-T-O-R-Y, ஆப்ளிகேட்டரி மீன்ஸ் கட்டுப்படுத்துறது. கிராமத்தில் இருக்கிற நடக்கிற கலவரம் இதில் எல்லாமே என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க தலைவர்கள் கட்டுப்படுத்துகிறாங்க சரியா, அதாவது தட்ஸ் ஆப்ளிகேட்டரி. நம்பர் 5, மெயின்டெனன்ஸ், M-A-I-N-T-E-N-A-N-C-E, மெயின்டெனன்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் பராமரிக்கிறது ஓகேவா. ஒன்ஸ் அகைன் I read you number room letter 1, dictation words. After finishing this heading, you just leave the line. Number 1, Panchayat, P-A-N-C-H-A-Y-A-T, Panchayat. Number 2, president, P-R-E-S-I-D-E-N-T, president. Number 3, kudavolai, K-U-D-A-V-O-L-A-I, kudavolai. Number 4, obligatory, O-B-L-I-G-A-T-O-R-Y, obligatory. Number 5, maintenance, M-A-I-N-T-E-N-A-N-C-E, maintenance. You just leave the line and write children. After you can write the first one using capital letters. Okay, sharpen your pencil and write neatly. You just read the correct spelling and write. After finishing this room letter, you can draw the line by using scale. Let's move to the second room letter. You have your space means you have to continue it. Otherwise, you can take a fresh page. Room letter 2. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. After finishing the heading, you just leave the line. Right, number 1, Panchayat is a village level government. Okay, Panchayat என்றது village na கிராமம், கிராமப்புறத்தில் நடக்கிற ஒரு கவர்மெண்ட் சொல்வாங்க, சின்ன சட்டம் நடத்துறது. ஆப்ஷன் வந்து village state. Okay, again I read you number 1, Panchayat is a village level government. You finish this question, next line you can using the option ma. Okay வா, இந்த first question finish பண்ண உடனே next lineலயே நீங்க ஆப்ஷன் எழுதலாம். இந்த லைன்ல கண்டினியூ பண்ண கூடாது ஆப்ஷன். கிளியர் சொல்றேன். அதே மாதிரி இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் ஃபுல்லா முடிஞ்சோனே இதுக்கு லைன் விடக்கூடாது. நீங்க செகண்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் லைன் விடுவீங்க, ஆனா தேர்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ல லைன் விடக்கூடாது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் question ஃபுல்லா finish பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் நீங்க ஆப்ஷன் எழுதணும். ஆப்ஷன் finish பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் நீங்க have to leave the line. Clear children? Number 2, the lower level of the 3-tier system is village panchayat. Option, village district. வில்லேஜ்னால கிராமப்புறத்தில் நடக்கிற ஒரு லோவர் லெவல்னா அந்த இருக்க சட்ட அமைப்புகள் சரியா, அதான் 3-tier system is a village panchayat. You have to finish the second one, you just leave the line and write number 3, the tenure of the members of the panchayat is 5 years. Option, 5 years, 10 years. 5 years பொறுத்தவரை தான் அந்த பஞ்சாயத்தில் யூனியன் அந்த எலெக்ஷன் நடக்கும் ஓகேவா. You can write the fill in means you have to leave the finger gap children. It's very important. You finish the one word, you have to leave the finger gap, one finger gap, and using next word, next one have to using a finger gap. You can use the left hand to leave the finger gap. Okay, you have to write neatly and underline the answers by using scale and pencil. After finishing the choosing, you have to draw the line by using scale and pencil. You can write neatly. Again, I can sharpen your pencil and write your class work neatly children. Roman letter 3, fill in the blanks. Okay, after you finish the heading, you just leave the line and write number 1. Panchayat Raj is the 3-tier system. Already I told Panchayathila sila சட்ட அமைப்பு சட்டம்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதான் டயர் சிஸ்டம். TIER டயர் சிஸ்டம், SYSTEM சிஸ்டம், டயர் சிஸ்டம். ஓகே, Panchayat Raj is the 3-tier system. So you have to using a finger gap to write the one word children. ஒரு word finish பண்ண உடனே என்ன பண்ணணும், you just use a finger gap, after you can write the next word. Okay, you can sharp your pencil and write neatly, and underline you have to using a scale and pencil. Okay, don't use only free hand, you can using a scale and pencil children. After finishing number 1, you just leave the line and write number 2. Kudavolai is a traditional method of election. குடவோலை என்னன்னு சொன்ன நம்ம பழைய காலத்தில் இருக்கிற எலெக்ஷன் மெத்தட். ஓகே, அந்த பாட்டு யூஸ் பண்ணி எலெக்ஷன் தேர்ந்தெடுப்பாங்க தலைவர்களை, அந்த மெத்தட். ஸோ குடவோலை இஸ் ஏ ட்ரெடிஷ்னல் மெத்தட் ஆஃப் எலெக்ஷன். KUDAVOLAI குடவோலை இஸ் ஏ ட்ரெடிஷ்னல் மெத்தட் ஆஃப் எலெக்ஷன். After finishing the fill-in, you can just draw the line. Okay, you can using a finger gap and sharp your pencil and write neatly. You have a space which you have to continue it, otherwise you can take a fresh page children. Next round letter, fourth round letter, question and answers. Okay, now you have to write this heading. After finishing heading, you can leave the line. Write number first question. What is village panchayat? You can using a finger gap with the each word children. What is village panchayat? You can finish this word, you have to put question mark compulsory. Okay, it's very important. You finish writing the question means you have to put the question mark in the last. After finishing the question, just leave the line and write ANS. ANS means it's a short form of answer. Okay, now you can write the answer. You just leave the 2 finger gap. It's very important. You can start at the answer means you have to leave the 2 finger gap here. Then only can start the answer. People of a village gather together and discuss about the roles of the Panchayat board. Once again I read you. What is village Panchayat? After finishing the question, you just leave the line and write answer. You just leave the 2 finger gap. People of a village gather together and discuss about the roles of the Panchayat board. I will finish the answer, just put the full stop here. Okay, finish the answer means you have to just full stop here. After you can draw the line. Using a finger gap children, it's very important. You can draw the line by using scale and pencil. After finishing this one, you can start at the second question. What second question? When is the Gram Sabha meeting held? What is this question symbol? Okay, you can finish the question means you can write the question symbol here. After finishing the question, you just leave the line and write answer. You just leave the 2 finger gap here. It's very important. And what's the answer? Gram Sabha meeting must be held at least 4 times a year. Once again I read you. Number 2. When is the Gram Sabha meeting held? And after finish the question, you just leave the line and answer. You just leave the 2 finger gap here. Gram Sabha meeting must be held at least 4 times a year. You can give the full stop here. Okay, after finishing this answer, you just leave the line and draw the line by using scale and pencil. After finishing the line, you can write the parent sign here. Write your class set neatly children. After finishing this one, you can write the parent sign and get the parent signature here also. Now you can see the book exercise. Take your book, page number 156, room letter 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Panchayat is a village level government. They give the option district, state, village. Once again I read you. Number 1. Panchayat is a village level government. Option is district, state, village. Number 2. Mahatma Gandhi introduced the word Gram Swaraj. Mahatma Gandhi the word introduced பண்ணாங்க. So Mahatma Gandhi introduced the word Gram Swaraj. Option is Kamarajar, Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru. Number 3. The lower level of the 3-tier system is village panchayat. The lower level of the 3-tier system is village panchayat. Option is district, block level, village. But correct answer is village. Number 4, who elects the vice president of the Panchayat? They give the option people, ward member, district collector. But correct answer is ward member. Who elects the vice president of the Panchayat? Answer is ward member. Number 5, the tenure of the members of the Panchayat is 5 years. They give the option 15 years, 10 years, 5 years. But correct answer is 5 years. Now we can see the second room letter. Number 2, match the following. Number 1, Kudavolai. Number 2, Gram Panchayat. Number 3, planting trees. Number 4, street lights. Number 5, Gram Sabha. Now you can read the option here. Okay. Development of plan, obligatory function, old system of election, discretionary function, people above 500. Now we can match the correct answer. Okay. Number 1, Kudavolai. What is the correct answer? Old system of election. Number 2, Gram Panchayat. Which is the correct answer, children? People above 500. Number 3, planting trees. Which is the correct answer? Discretionary function. Number 4, street lights. Which is the correct answer? Obligatory function. Number 5, Gram Sabha. Correct answer is development of plan. Okay students, I hope that everyone should understand how to write the social class work. Sharp your pencil and write neatly, children. By using your hand also you have to using a finger gap and everything. You can read the spelling and write and again check after getting the parent sign. Okay, I will meet in the next class. Thank you students. Have a nice day.